Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Arlec how-to. Today, we will be showing you how to use the slimline design wireless door chime. Inside the packaging, you will find 4 items: a chime unit, a remote, some mounting items, and a set of instructions in the back. The product is rated IP44, meaning the remote is weatherproof. When not obstructed, it has a 75-meter wireless range, and with a high output volume, this ensures you will hear the chime regardless of where you are in your home. This chime unit requires 2 AA batteries, which you can insert at the back. Once you install the batteries, you will hear a beep sound. Now we'll teach you how to pair a remote to a unit. Remove the plastic tab from the remote, then press to sync it. To connect multiple chimes to one remote, complete the same process. Insert the batteries, then sync the chime to its remote. You can connect up to 4 remotes to your chime unit using the code button. Hold this button down until you hear a beep. Then, push your second remote to sync it. A beep will sound, letting you know they have connected. There are 8 different chime tones. To change your tone, open the back panel of the remote with a flathead screwdriver. Press the black button to cycle through tones, stopping once you've found the one you like. The unit can be mounted to a wall using either double-sided tape or these screws and anchors. To avoid interference, avoid mounting the unit on any metal structures. Install your unit 1 meter above ground for optimal performance. For any more questions or assistance, visit our website or refer to the contact numbers at the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.